To draw a sleigh bell, which is the kind of thing you have in an orchestra, I'm going to start by drawing the handle, which has got kind of two lines going across there. And then we want to draw a D shape, and that's going to come around and up about there. So that might actually come about there. And that will come down and curve around like that. And that's going to come down, and that's going to come down. And we'll draw same curve coming around to there and coming up there. So this is usually, I think, made of leather or something like that. So we're going to want a thickness. So we're going to work that out there. And in fact, this will be curved around there. There'll be a little pin holding the handle on. Now, if that's the kind of the middle of it, then that's where our middle jingle bell is going to be, and then the next one will be about there, and the next one on the side, and then that one will be round about there, and then that will be kind of half hidden behind there. And jingle bells have this kind of this sort of cross cut in them. That's going to be right over there, so it's going to be down there. And so this is not not easy to plan out. Let's see how it works out. While I zoom in and get that straightened up, click down there and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos every week. Now I'm going to start here and come all the way around to there and then down. Then I can bring this handle across and back again like that, and I can come around there and curve down. Now this has this thickness, so I'm going to draw all the way around there. I think it's usually made of leather like that, sort of hard stiffened leather. And then we want to draw these jingle bells. They're the next thing to add to the drawing. Okay, like that. That will come down to there. And we'll finish off the leather strap part. That would be coming around. Oh, that looks more like a Brussels sprout. Never mind. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to draw a circle there, and that's going to come down like that and across, and that's going to disappear off down there, so you're not going to see the other circle much. Then here we'll see that circle. It's going to come another circle there. You won't see the bottom circle, but you'll see that one. Here you'll see a circle there, and that's coming down. That will come around like that. This is quite complicated, isn't it? This will come around with a little circle there, and this will come around with a circle there. You might actually see a bit of a circle on the top there and something like that. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines, and no one will know how you ever worked it out. And then we can sort of make this look a bit more 3D, because this is made of sort of punched out folded metal, so we need a kind of the thickness of the metal in there like that. That will be more like that, and that will be in there, that will be going to there. We'll see that part, and we'll see that part there like that. Now shading, I'm going to hatch my way down this handle with these little curving, slightly curving hatch lines like that. So just give it a feeling of sort of it being a cylinder. And then I'm going to do a little bit of hatching there too. I think we could maybe do a bit of hatching around there. We're probably going to want some shade underneath these bells like that, and a bit in there too. And each of these bells is going to need a bit of something going on there. So I'm doing that, and I'm just slightly curving the lines, these tiny little lines that are actually slightly curved and pointing into the center. So I'll do that all the way around there like that, coming around there.